In this video, I will be discussing the removal material process a little bit more detailed. So I have created different extrusions, different geometries, and I will be explaining you the process of creation of the geometries at certain distances in the future videos. But right now I'm trying to explain you the material removal process. So let us try to concentrate on it. So I would like to remove the material from this particular surface. Let me start creating an extrusion over here. Let me align it. So right now here, when I'm aligning it to the sketch view, I'm unable to see where is my figure because it is getting overlapped and the color is same. It is a bit confusion for me to understand which geometry is my geometry, right? On which I'm creating the sketch. So in order to do that, you can just try to change the display style to no hidden, and you can see your circle over here. This is the circle on which I'm trying to create the removable material sketch. There is another option called reference. I'll try to show you that also in that future videos. So right now let me just try to create a circle. I want to remove the material which is having a cross section of circle. So let me change the display style to shading right now, and you can see that my sketch is created over here. Now I'm pressing the OK option. Now you can see the extrusion happening. Let me click on remove material. So I'm not getting the material removed on the surface on the geometry over here because the side of the extrusion is on the other side of the material. So I have to change the side. So this is an important point to remember. I have changed the side right now, and you can see the depth can be varied with our wish. So I was discussing about this other options, right? So I'm trying to explain you those options right now. So this is the depth option. We can just try to keep the depth, and this is the symmetric option. You will be getting the extrusion equally on both the sides. And after this you have the selected surface option. Okay, and then you have this option. One second. Extrude, yeah, circle, remove material. So this option, what I was discussing to you, is extrude to intersect with all surfaces. So whatever surfaces are coming in the middle, that surfaces will be having the material removed in them. So let me just try to use this option, and you can see automatically the hole is created for all the materials. So no matter what is the number of geometries you're having, if you are using this option, that is extrude to intersect with all surfaces. So whatever surfaces are coming in the middle, you will be having the hole created in that particular surface, or the material removed in that particular surface. Now let us try to use another option, that is extrude to intersect with selected surface. So the difference between both is, the first option will not ask us to choose any surface where we want to make the hole. It will just keep on continuously going forward and seeing whatever surface is coming in the middle, it has to remove the material. But using this option, we can try to select the surface till where we are wanting the hole to be. Imagine I don't want the hole to be on this particular solid geometry. So I'll just select up to this surface, and you can see that the hole is created till here. There is no creation of hole on this particular solid body. So this is the use of this option. Now let us try to use the next option, that is extrude up to selected surface, edge, vertex, curve or plane, or any other datum point. So the difference between both is, in this option we have to select the surface. We can only select the surface of the geometry. Like I have selected this surface, so I'm getting the hole till here, but I'm not getting the hole on this particular geometry. But with the last option, I can select any other datum point. Like for example, if I'm wanting to select this plane, then my hole will be created till this plane, after which it is not created. So this is about more of the features of the material removal process. So generally we will be using the first or the second option most commonly in all the geometries, because it is rarely required for us to create an intersecting hole continuously. And just remember one thing, that the symmetry option is for creation of or extrusion on both the sides. This side we are not having any material, that is the reason we are not finding anything over here, but the material is getting removed on one side. So I hope I'm really clear about this topic, and I will be explaining you the process of creating multiple geometries by creating multiple planes in the future videos. So let's go to the next video.